All right, there were some questions concerning the addition of some break lines, and I think the PDFs kind of went off on a different tangent using the survey tab and some other things, and I really don't want to get in that, and you shouldn't have put that in there. That was my problem. But what I do want to show you is this quick video on how to add some additional break lines to make your surfaces look better. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to take in some additional information on the survey that shows up as these break lines. So far we have defined our surface by points, okay? And we need to give it some additional information to refine it. So we're going to use some break lines. And right now you can see here there are several break lines. And I want you to click on these two, and you'll notice that if you go to properties, these are swales. In other words, this is like the center line of a ditch. Okay, and the contour lines really don't tell that tale, so we got to add this to the surface to further refine it. So we're going to start there. So we go to our surface under Prospector, and we're going to find existing grade, and under definitions I want you to add break lines. So we click on break lines, let's right click and add, and we're going to call this one swale. Okay. As we selected those two, everything else will keep as default there and hit OK. And you'll notice right away, look how your surface has changed. It's much nicer. This existing surface is actually more representative of what happened. So what they did is these surveyors went and right in the middle of where that swale was, they took all these shots. And that information wasn't there. So we're going to add two other feature lines. This one here. And this one is, both of these are what we call top of bank, okay? This would be the ridge line, okay? And again, this does not quite show up with the ground shots, so we're going to have to add this information just like we did the swales. So we're going to right click, we're going to add, we're going to call this one top of bank. You can also call it ridge, same thing. We're going to hit OK. And now you can see much more pronounced where we can see our ridge line. So go ahead, make those changes to your surface, and then let's go ahead and we're going to add the profiles, the alignment and then profiles for this.